What if I told you there's a country in Europe where you can start a company with low corporate tax, full access to the European Union, and a reputation, and instantly boost your credibility all without the heavy costs of places like Germany or France? Sounds like a smart move, right? But here's the problem. Most people either overlook Cyprus completely or misunderstand how powerful it actually is. Most people get this wrong. But here's why: they focus on big-name countries and ignore strategic ones. And the surprising truth about Cyprus is this: it's one of the most popular jurisdictions in Europe for international business, not because it's flashy, but because it's efficient, tax-friendly, and globally respected. And that's where things get interesting. But this is where it gets serious. If you don't understand the process, you can still face delays, compliance issues, and unnecessary mistakes. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to register an LLC in Cyprus, step by step through a real story. So by the end, you'll not only understand the process, but also whether Cyprus is the right move for your business. Let's start with a story. Meet Andrew. Andrew runs a growing digital services business in the U.S. His clients are spread across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Everything is going well until one moment changes everything. A large European client asks him a simple question: "Do you have an EU-based company?" Andrew says no, and just like that, he loses the deal. That moment hits hard because he realizes something important: without a European presence, he's limiting his growth. So he starts researching. Germany, too expensive. France, too complex. Then he discovers Cyprus. At first, he's unsure. Is it really that good? But then he sees something that changes everything. At 12.5% corporate tax rate, EU membership, strong legal system. Now he's curious, and curiosity leads to action, because sometimes the smartest opportunities are the ones that don't look obvious at first. Now, before we follow Andrew further, let's understand what an LLC in Cyprus actually is. In Cyprus, the equivalent of an LLC is a private company limited by shares. And here's why it matters: it provides limited liability protection. That means your personal assets are generally separate from your business. Simple, but essential. Now here's where things get interesting. Cyprus allows 100% foreign ownership. Yes, you don't need a local partner, and that's a huge advantage. But here's the catch: to benefit fully from the system, your company must be properly structured and compliant. And this is where most people make mistakes. Now let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1: choosing your company name. Sounds simple, but here's the problem: your company name must be unique and approved by the Registrar of Companies. And here's the surprising truth: names are checked carefully, and anything too similar will be rejected. So Andrew prepares multiple options, because smart entrepreneurs don't rely on one idea. They prepare for friction. Now step 2: appointing directors and shareholders. To form a company in Cyprus, you need at least one director, at least one shareholder. And here's the key: they can be the same person. But here's something important: having a local director can help with tax residency and credibility. Andrew learns this early and structures his company accordingly. Now step 3: preparing incorporation documents. This is where things become real. You need memorandum and articles of association, shareholder details, director information, registered office address. And here's the key: everything must be accurate, because errors can delay the process. Andrew works with a local service provider, and this makes everything smoother. Now step 4: registering the company. Once your documents are ready, they are submitted to the registrar. And here's where Cyprus stands out: the process is relatively efficient. Andrew submits his application, and then he waits, but not for long, because his company is approved within a reasonable time. And in that moment, everything changes, because he officially owns a company in Cyprus. Now step 5: obtaining a tax identification number. This is essential, because without it, your company cannot operate. And this is where things become official. Andrew registers for his tax ID, and now his business is active. Now step 6: opening a business bank account. This is essential, because without it, your company cannot function. And here's the challenge: banks require verification and documentation. Andrew completes the process, and once his account is active, everything starts to come together. Now step 7: VAT registration. If your business deals with EU clients, VAT registration is important. And this is where many people get confused, because VAT rules can be complex. Andrew consults an accountant, and this is one of the smartest decisions he makes. Now let's pause for a moment, because you might be thinking this sounds like a great option. What's the downside? And that's the right question, because no system is perfect. And this is where it gets real. Cyprus requires proper compliance. You must maintain accounting records, file taxes correctly, follow regulations. This is where it gets dangerous. If you ignore compliance, you can face penalties. But if you follow the system, you gain something powerful: credibility and efficiency. Now let's go back to Andrew. 6 months later, his business looks completely different. He has an EU-based company. Clients trust him more. He's able to close larger deals, and his growth has accelerated. This is the hidden payoff. Now let's bring everything together. Registering an LLC in Cyprus involves choosing a company name, appointing directors and shareholders, preparing incorporation documents, registering the company, obtaining a tax ID, opening a bank account, handling VAT registration. Simple steps, but powerful outcomes. And here's the deeper insight. Most people miss this. Isn't just about Cyprus. It's about leverage, because the right structure can unlock opportunities you didn't even know existed. It can improve your credibility, expand your reach, and accelerate your growth. Now here's the question you need to ask yourself: are you building a business that limits your one, that opens doors? Because that decision can change everything. And if you've stayed with me this far, you're already thinking differently. You're not just chasing easy answers. You're building a strategy. And that's what makes you business-minded. So if this gave you value, if it opened your perspective even a little, make sure to subscribe, because we're diving deeper into global business, smart strategies, and opportunities that most people never even consider. And trust me, the next move you make could define your future.